Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about TCS NQT 2026 exam enlisted 21st April first shift, both aptitude and coding. So first of all friend, let me tell you the brief that whoever following our playlist, they are getting benefits, okay, because questions pattern is getting repeated and especially coding part. Okay, so these were the questions which the candidates have shared. That आज का coding question था, make a matrix of 3x3, check which is a trapezoid, and if it is trapezoid then add the element of the first row which is equal to 10. If it is not trapezoid then product the first row element. So kind of things means you should know the input scenario, and if you have gone through our video related to how to take input, then you will be having clarity that किस तरह से input लेना. So simply we have to means basically take 3x3 matrix means rows and column, means either you can run two loops or you can use vector inside and take the element. Okay, so suppose that you can apply any logic like they are saying that check which is a trapezoid. If it is trapezoid then add the element of first row which is equal to 10. Okay, means you have to check further that if it is trapezoid, means according to the condition you have to apply a trapezoid condition. You know that opposite sides are parallel and the equals and all those things. So I will make a detailed solution video related to that in upcoming video, so you should not worry about that. And the things related to aptitude, friends, focus on the numerical, because numerical will play a critical role again in this shift. So if you have the question, must comment here how many test cases you passed and whether you face the input scenario or input problem or not. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था एक मेडिकल, मेक अ डिजिटल डेटाबेस अबाउट मेडिसिन विच हैव अ यूनिक आईडी एंड मेक अ स्टॉक ऑफ मेडिसिन, फुल स्टॉक लेवल 2 or half stock level 1 and out of stock level 0. Means if it is out of stock level it will represent by 0, half stock level it will represent by 1 and full stock level it will represent by 2. Okay, so you have to basically make a stock of medicine and count the medicine requirement which is enough or not. So this was the thing, means again saying friends, just try to get the logic that what they are saying, but in detail if you want you have to wait for some more time, okay, because I have to get some more clarity related to test case, related to constants, related to the input scenario and other. Then I will make a dedicated video, not to worry about that, but little bit talking about the aptitude, reasoning and other important points. So again numerical is quite challenging and main thing is time management. Okay, so you should know how to do the time management, because at least you have to solve 10 or 8 to 10 questions to get the further round. Okay, and reasoning was quite easy, means if you have practiced at least 10 or 15 days, means if you have practiced enough number of questions then you should not have any query. Okay, and बात करता हूँ English. So in English the reading comprehension will play a critical role. So if you have done the reading comprehension good, means then it is quite easy for you like the English. तो इंग्लिश में भाई रीडिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन अराउंड अगेन 6 to 7 क्वेश्चंस, उससे ज़्यादा भी था, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स बोल रहे थे, बट या इट वाज लेंदी. सो यू हैव टू बी पेशेंस एंड यू हैव टू कीप पेशेंस योर माइंड. सो जिनका भी एग्जाम फर्दर है, बी पेशेंस एंड जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट. ओके, एंड अगेन सेइंग इफ यू हैवंट गॉन थ्रू आवर वीडियो रिलेटेड टू कोडिंग, मस्ट गो थ्रू दैट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर you, because after getting that you will get clarity. Okay, like if you don't know how to take input, how to handle those cases, then it will be quite difficult for you. Okay, especially in Java, because in C++ you can include hashtag include bits std_c++.h, but for Java you should know the library, each and every library how you are using, and especially taking the input scenario, because again many of the candidates are faced the issue. Okay, so I have already uploaded video related to compiler, that how the teachers compiler would look like and how you have to solve an important tips. So उससे रिलेटेड मैं ऑलरेडी वीडियो बना चुका हूँ. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. जो भी मैंने प्रीवियस शिफ्ट का कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस किया हूँ, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. ओके, दोज हु गॉट द update related to interview, first of all congratulations. Now if you want you can fill the mock form. Okay, so we are always here to support you. So if you want you can fill the mock form. We will provide you the resume review and complete guidance which will help you to clear the exam further. So if you need you can just fill the form. Okay, and again saying don't be panic those who have exam further, and if you haven't got the admit card yet, be patient, you will get, because those candidates who have missed the exam only also they are getting the mail. We have already provided update. So this was all thing I want to tell. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and must connect on LinkedIn if you have any query, or you can ask at Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp or whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. प्लीज़ लाइक अस, सपोर्ट अस. योर सपोर्ट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर गेटिंग सच इम्पॉर्टेंट कंटेंट, मीन्स प्रोवाइडिंग सच. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.